great, baby doll.
I did.
I bet you'll feel better today.
Merry
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I guess go downstairs.
Okay.
I think
Maggie, hold on.
Wait, freeze. Let Daddy get it.
Uh-oh, my suitor. Yes, there's no sit. Ow!
Come on,
My
Maggie.
suitor.
Yeah.
Yes. He's hanging. He got the things. He got the dragons and 8 dragons. I ate dragons, yo boys. I ate nice dragons, not me dragons. That's the war. Can I be sure this mine still down see? Yes! A new 2 baby dogs. Yes!
Yeah.
Yes, this is my suitor. Yes, it's Dora. Accesses. I wanted one. What's this?
I think
Super.
Cooper got a prize too.
I gotta give it to him.
I think he's outside.
You get him in?
Yeah, I'll let him in just a minute. Look at your stuff, Maggie. Look what Santa left you. Yeah, that's for the dog and cat. Maggie, here your stocking is over here.
Where is it?
Right by your scooter. The red one,
I
right?
don't know what is it. It's candy canes. Candy canes. Yummy. You see them. I'll eat them next. We can eat them after lunch.
Yeah.
Get your scooter, big girl. Isn't that neat?
Look, Julia. What's these?
Band-Aids. He must have known we were out of Band-Aids. Princess Band-Aids.
More princess Band-Aids. She does more princess Band-Aids. My suitors, I said.
You think you can try it out?
I see dogs. More for dogs.
Yeah.
It's a bone.
Yeah.
Bone. I gotta find if he got a new Band-Aid.
You got a new bed, it looks
Got a new
like.
bed.
Where's the baby stuff? I got yet.
Let's see it.
How
Here,
it
let me see
how it
Let's
works.
see if it's turned on.
It's not turned on.
Yes, I bet it will. Let's see.
I got new this. This is new. I got new ones. Hey, does it work?
It should.
This is a good job. You and Uncle Neil can play.
Hey. I can beat it somewhere else too. I can beat it at somebody's house.
Yeah.
I missed it. I'll be careful. I'll try to get that up a minute. Hey,
You got it.
Yeah.
Orange.
Santa must have
You
known.
must have been watching when you saw that in the store.
A unicorn doll. And then a Dora doll.
Wow, Maggie.
Dora doll. 2.
A unicorn.
2 unicorns.
Wow, Maggie.
It's a unicorn with Dora.
Oh, okay.
2 unicorns. The mommy one and the daddy one. And the mommy and the baby. Good. You tossed it up.
I think you had to put it on the floor, on the hard floor.
got put it red. How we do it?
Maggie, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can you give me a,
I